Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Extrude Boss in SolidWorks. We learn it. Today I make video for beginners. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the circle from origin. Now give the dimension circle 150. Now draw the again circle from origin. Now give the value circle 180. Now again draw the circle here. Now give the value 328 as you wish. Now this circle make the center line. Now here use plain white. Now draw the circle here. Give the dimension this circle. This circle dimension 40. 40. Now again draw the circle here. Give the value 60. Okay. Now again here draw the circle. Now this circle and this circle distance 15. Okay. Now draw the hair center line. Now draw hair center line. Now draw hair line this circle and this circle. Now just move here and move here. Okay. Now this line and this center line degree use 30 degree. Okay. Now this point just move this center line. Now you can this point control this center line coincident. Okay. Now draw the hair line. Select. Now just move here this circle and this move here. Now draw the hair center line from origin. Okay. Now this line and this line distance just delete here. Now here automatically define. Just I delete this relation. This line and this line distance 15. Okay. Now go to mirror and this line select and this line select about center line. Okay. Now go to trim tools, discard and cut and cut. Now cut here. Okay. Now cut this line, this. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now select this line, this line, this line, and this line, and this line. And select this circle and this circle. Now here below give the 6 fully defined for select this circle. Okay. Now go to trim tools and cut here and cut here, cut here and here and here. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now select here extrude. Now you can extrude here 20 or 10 as you wish. I am going to use 20 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to again here, select this sketch and extrude. Now here select here and here select here and here and here. Now give the below 30 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select fillet. Now select fillet one or two as you wish. I am select one here. Here select and here and here, here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here shaded. Now here select materials, metal, metal use. I am going to select cast alloy lead. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comments box.